Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Technology Explore. My name is Usman Chaudhary and today in this video I am going to show you how you can make face shields by using your laser cutting machines, and then you can sell those face shields and earn money. So let's start. But before starting, it is my request to you, as I have done lots of effort to make this model in SolidWorks sheet metal, and then I have converted it into the DXF file. So in return, I deserve your subscribe. So do subscribe my YouTube channel, and in return you will get the DXF file free of cost. Let's start. This is the SolidWorks model. I have made it in sheet metal, and I have converted it into DXF file, and here is the DXF file. So you have to select your own speed. Sheet thickness is 2 mm. So you can also use 1 mm thick sheet. So let's start. Now use the 7-inch diameter PVC pipe for molding guide, and be careful, use its straight cut side for molding. Place the acrylic sheet on the pipe and then use heat gun to bend the acrylic sheet. Now wait until it cools down and hardened. You can also drop water on it. So sheet bending is done, and now next step is that we have to bend this acrylic strip. So once again use heat gun to heat this corner of the acrylic strip. Now bend this side like this. Now also bend the other side of the acrylic strip by using heat gun. So the end product will looks like this. Now use this permanent glue to stick the acrylic strip with the shield. Now use this half-inch thick foam. You can easily find it on carpet shop. Use scissor to cut the strip of this foam. Now paste the transparent silicone on the foam strip like this. Now place it on the acrylic strip. You will also need this 1-inch wide elastic strip. So cut the straight edge. Measure the distance like this. And then cut it according to the length you required. Insert one side of the strip like this in the shield and bend it like this. Then place the permanent glue on the edge like this. Same process for the other side. So everything is done and your face shield is ready. So I hope you have enjoyed and learned from this video, and if you want to download the DXF file of this face shield, you can click on the link in the description of this video. So thanks for watching and sparing time, and don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel for more videos like this.